Would you like to validate whether your customers are satisfied with AI agent responses and automatically track first contact resolution? Then you'll want to take full advantage of the FCR workflow inside Intelswift. The workflow looks as follows. When AI agent sends a meaningful reply, not just a greeting, but a real solution to the customer's issue, it will follow with a simple question. Was this message helpful? And if the customer taps yes, the conversation is automatically marked as resolved. That's a clear FCR, so no manual review needed. If the customer replies no, you're in full control of what happens next. You can configure the workflow to connect customer to the human support rep, file a ticket, or trigger any custom workflow you'll set up. This workflow doesn't just give you a peace of mind, it gives you data. You'll know which conversations are hitting the mark and whether human backup might be needed without adding extra overhead to your team. Turn on the FCO workflow and start measuring satisfaction the smart way, automated, real-time, and scalable.